Let's talk about real passive income streams, especially if you're juggling work, kids, home life, and still dreaming of having more time, more freedom, and more breathing room. Because yes, realistic, sustainable, passive income streams do exist, even if you've never made a single dollar online before, and even if you don't consider yourself techie at all. I started as a complete beginner, no marketing background, no tech skills, no fancy tools, nothing. Just a tired working mom who wanted a way to create extra income without sacrificing time with my kids. And since then, I've been able to cut my hours, create multiple streams of income from home, and actually be present with my kids. The school runs, the assemblies, the little moments you miss when you're glued to a job. I didn't start with confidence. I started with curiosity. That's exactly where you might be right now. A couple of years ago, I was exhausted, working long shifts, juggling home, stressing about bills, and feeling like my life was running me instead of the other way around. I tried different things online. I failed more times than I want to admit. It felt like everyone had a secret roadmap until I found a system that actually works for beginners. One that didn't require years of experience, expensive software, or a massive audience. And everything I'm about to share with you in this video, these are the exact strategies I use today. So if you're someone who ever thought, I want more time with my kids, I need another income, but I can't take on more work, I want freedom, but I have no idea where to start, then this video is literally made for you. What we're breaking down today, I'm going to walk you through 5 realistic income stream any beginners can start, even if you have 0 experience, you're not tech savvy, you're starting from absolute scratch, your life is busy and chaotic. Same here. Make sure you stay until the end, because the last one is the system that's completely changing everything for me. The one that allowed me to reduce my hours and finally feel like I had control of my time again. Income stream 1, digital products. If you want to make money online, you need something to sell, period. And the most beginner-friendly place to start is digital products. Why digital products work so well? No shipping, no inventory, no warehouse, no customer packaging, no time-based delivery. You create something once and it can sell for 10 times, 100 times, even thousands of times without you doing extra work. Examples of these products can be ebooks. 5 to 20 pages is enough. Mini courses filmed on your phone. Checklists, swipe files, journals, meal plans, budget templates, daily routine guide, printable planners, tutorials. You do not need to be an expert. You only need to ask yourself, what problems have I solved that someone else is struggling with right now? It could be how you organize your mornings, how you budget, how you meal prep, how you get your little one to sleep, how you manage your time as a working mom, how you started earning online, how digital product income become passive. You create a product once, upload it, set up automated delivery, traffic from social media. Sales happen daily, you being present. This is why many moms start here. It's truly a low stress, high leverage stream. Income stream 2, affiliate marketing. Once you've created your digital product, you can layer a second income stream that requires 0 extra work, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simply earning a commission when someone buys something you've recommended. Here's why it's perfect for busy parents. You don't deal with customer service, you don't handle refunds, you don't ship anything, you don't create the product. Your only job is recommending things you genuinely use. Easy affiliate ideas. The app you use for budgeting, the planners you use, the tools you use for content creation, software for editing, courses you've taken, kids products, books that changed your mindset, the program that helped you start online, like Legacy Builders. The beauty is you could add these naturally inside your YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, your digital product, your email newsletter, even in your Instagram stories. And because these links work 24/7, it becomes a long-term passive income stream. How affiliate income scales. Create helpful content, share what tools or products you use, add your affiliate link, audience grows, click grows, commission grows. Even small commissions stack up quickly when multiple links are bringing you income around the clock. Income stream 3, YouTube. If you want freedom, real freedom, YouTube is powerful. Unlike TikTok and Instagram, where content dies after 24 hours, YouTube videos stay active for months or years. YouTube becomes passive in 3 ways. Number 1, video search traffic. People find it forever. Number 2, your link in the description makes sales for you. Number 3, you get paid directly by YouTube once you're monetized. Beginner-friendly videos include how I manage being a working mom while building income from home. 5 things I wish I knew before starting online. Beginner-friendly side hustles that actually work. My honest experience as a busy mom starting online. A day in my life. Working mom building my online income. You don't need perfect equipment. Your phone, natural light, a simple background, your real story. YouTube builds trust, grows your audience, and gives you traffic every single day. When you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you unlock YouTube ad revenue. A 4th income stream coming in automatically. Income stream for a community or membership. People don't want information anymore. They want connection, especially moms. A community or membership gives you audience, access to you, support, accountability, a safe place to grow, inspiration, consistency. What you can offer: a simple membership, monthly workshops, weekly check-ins, Q&A sessions, templates, small training, mindset calls, behind-the-scenes updates, mom-to-mom support, guest speakers, digital resources. Why this becomes passive? You build a repeating structure, 1 to 2 lessons per month, pre-recorded or live. Your community grows, your impact grows, your revenue becomes recurring, the most stable income of all. Even a small group, 20, 30, 50 people, can completely shift your finances. Income stream 5, the shortcut, the system I use. Now here's what's changing everything for me. Instead of spending months trying to build a product, a website, a funnel, a system, an email sequence, marketing skills, I joined a program that gave me everything done for me. It provided training, tools, templates, scripts, step-by-step beginner strategies, a community, and the ability to resell the system. This is why many moms chose this path, because instead of starting from zero, they start from a proven blueprint. Why this system creates the fastest results for beginners. Most moms don't have time to build a product from scratch, spend thousands learning funnels, spend weeks understanding tech, waste time on trial and error. With a proven beginner's roadmap, you learn as you earn. You don't build everything alone. You have guidance. You avoid expensive mistakes. You start quicker. You grow quicker. You build skills that help you forever. And yes, this is the exact roadmap inside Legacy Builders, a program that's changing my journey. No experience needed, no tech background, no followers needed, no confusion. A simplified path beginners can follow. If you've been craving more time with your kids, if you want more freedom in your life, you're not late, you're not behind, you're not the only one starting from zero. You need the right system, the courage to take the first step. My full beginner-friendly roadmap is linked below. And I promise, if I can do this while juggling kids, work, home, and life, you can.